today as we take a look at a very exciting property in Leverette, Massachusetts. This is the Yankee Candle Company Mansion. And these pictures right here are of the indoor water park of this 990,000 square foot property. This home sits on 60 acres and is listed at $23 million with 16 bedrooms, 19 bathrooms, includes a 9-hole golf course, a spa, 4 tennis courts, the indoor water park, and a full-size auditorium. Now, if any of you know any of my videos at all, you know exactly what I'm gonna say. What an amazing bed and breakfast this would make. I would be a massive one, but it would be a pretty, it's almost resort-like. You could have your own resort. And this here is one of 2 car barns. So if you're a car collector, it's perfect for you. Yes, this is a bowling alley. I mean, everybody needs a bowling alley in their house. Given this is the Yankee Candle Company house, I bet it smells real good. This house is definitely the biggest home that I have ever presented for you guys. It's crazy, almost 100,000 square feet. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I have. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching.